Peanut Docs. I'm Molly.
And I'm Jess.
And today we are going to be making reindeer chows, which is a variation of Muddy Buddies.
First step,
you take a quarter cup of butter, softened. Half a cup of peanut butter. Satisfying. It's very satisfying.
what's your favorite holiday sweet, Molly?
I love a good Pillsbury sugar cookie with like all the designs on them.
Yeah, like making shapes out of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that last year actually.
Did we?
We did that for Valentine's Day.
We did something like that.
Yeah. Delectable.
And then a whole bag of chocolate chips.
They have to be melted though.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you put this mixture, this lovely mixture, in the microwave for a minute, stirring every like 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Do we need to film this part?
Next, put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Then, stir it around properly. And drizzle the mixture. No?
Like pour it into the bags.
Oh, okay, excuse me. Pour the mixture into the bags of Chex Mix.
Just plain corn Chex Mix.
Clarify.
You're good. Well, for right now. Go back. Okay, stop.
Uh-oh.
And then put the rest in this one.
Oh.
Like use the rest of it, but.
Next, put 2 cups of sugar, 1 in each bag.
Confectioner sugar.
That's not a full cup.
Diabetes.
That's enough out of the peanut gallery. Love that sugar.
We love sugar.
It's like the snow. Oh no. Oh, more dear.
Oh! All over the ground.
All over my reindeer boots.
Wow. Next, seal your bag and shake. Take your now shaken Chex Mix and place it into a large bowl.
All right.
Next, take a bag of M&Ms. Oh, and some crushed pretzels.
To make your reindeer chow.
2 cups of crushed.
Well, I'm taking an estimate. And then you stir, but we need, like, I'm wearing a white shirt. There you go.
I can get in there, I don't mind.
But I mind. We have so much of this. Reindeer Chow in bulk.
You know, Molly, I think I'm gonna try some.
Why don't you, yeah, give it a nice review.
Funny part is,
Wow.
they probably kill an actual reindeer.
I'm gonna be honest, I was a little worried because it didn't look like we had enough chocolate, but I must say the flavor is just delicious. I might grab another one.
I'm not even stirring it yet. I'm still.
Muy
Okay.
bien.
Alright.
Incredible.
I love this stuff. Alright. And that, my friends, is how you make reindeer chow. Perfect for your next Christmas gathering.
I'm Jess Carroll.
And I'm Molly Massey.
Happy holidays, EC.